Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Renee. Today I'm going to be doing a spring decorate with me. So basically I'm going to be getting rid of all my winter stuff and decorating for spring. So I still have a lot of my, I don't want to say Christmas stuff, but a lot of like trees and just kind of like wintry kind of items still just around the house. So I'm going to be getting rid of all those and then adding in like more color and just spring decor. So I'll also be doing a little bit of cleaning in the process. So yeah, if that sounds good to you, just keep watching. And if you are new here, please subscribe. I make videos like this twice a week and I would love to have you here. So let's just get on with the video. And I think this is mostly going to be music. I might stop a couple times to tell you about like a item that I really like or kind of explain what I'm doing, but I think most of this video is just going to be music, so it should be nice and relaxing, and let's get on with it. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that I decorated and explain some of where I got some of these. So this shelf right here I got from Target last year, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but I love it. It's a really fun way to kind of display different things for the season. I think it was like 70 or 80 bucks, but just a couple little things on here that I want to tell you about. All of these little elephant things are actually, they have like kind of like a potpourri thing in them, so they smell good. And I have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. I got all of these at Marshalls or Home Goods. That's where I found these, and they usually have these pretty much every year. I've seen them there before, so those are really fun. I like those a lot, and I have quite a few of them because I do like them. And then these little bunnies right here, I got these actually from Target last Easter, I want to say. So I'm sure they probably came out with something like that this year, but when I went to Target to try and find Easter stuff, they were sold out of everything. So I'm not for sure if they still have those this year, but yeah, that's where I got those, and I really like them. And then a couple of these other signs I just got at random places, and I just think they're really cute because they're very springy, like this Hello Spring one, and then this really pretty Choose Happy one, and this Home Sweet Home. I actually think I got this one at Family Dollar. Yeah, I got this one at Family Dollar last year, but I really like it. So, and then I just have some random things like a Bath and Body Works candle, and these two little like planter cow things. I got these at Dollar General as well. You'd be surprised, once in a while I end up finding some really, really cute decor from there. Sorry, the lighting's kind of weird, but yeah, so that's how this shelf looks, and I really like how it came out. Here's a little bit of a better view of it. So yeah, that's like my main area where I do decor in the living room, and I'll show you a couple other things as well. So then I have just this little shelf right by the front door, and I got this actually at Bed Bath & Beyond a couple months back. It was on a really good sale, and I just have this little vase with some fake little greenery in it, and I believe that greenery came from, I want to say, Dollar Tree. And there's another one of the Target bunnies that's a little bit of a different one, but that did come from Target last year. And that home thing came from, I want to say, Dollar General. So just really simple and easy, but I like to decorate with a lot of greens and blues, especially in the spring, and they match my walls obviously really well. So my walls are this really light, like seafoam mint green colors. So yeah, this all looks really good with it. And then the other thing I'm going to show you is just this little end table right here that I got from IKEA. And I didn't really do too much with this. I just have this little vase with really pretty purple flower in it. Well, flowers, I should say. And these came from Dollar Tree. And this vase is so pretty. It's got like a really cool shape to it. I don't know if you can tell. But this came from IKEA. And I got this sometime last year. So yeah, those are just kind of the different areas in my living room. Kind of messy in here still. It's not completely done, but this is what I got going on right here so far, and I still do need to do some cleaning, but right now I just have this set up right here, and it's another one of the little bunnies from Target, a Bath & Body Works candle that smells really good. I like that one. And then this really pretty greenery right here in this vase. And this vase did come from Dollar Tree. So yeah, but this these flowers in here, they all come like in a bunch like this. I got this last year at Michael's, and actually looks really, really pretty and very real, I think. So I really like that. So yeah, that's what I got going so far, and it's not perfect yet. I probably will do a little bit more decorating and change around a couple more things. Yeah, but that's what I have going for now. So I really like it, and we will see what else I do. Alright guys, that's it for my video today. I really hope you enjoyed watching me decorate for spring, and let me know down below what your favorite home decor item that I showed was. I am not really sure what mine is because I like so many of the things I got, and it is fun decorating for every new season because I kind of unpack my stuff, and sometimes I even forget some of the items that I had, so I get really excited about the decor. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, my name's Renee. See you later. Bye guys.